name's Steph. Hi, if you've seen me before. If you haven't, then maybe think about subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up and comment and dingling my bell if you like my video, that is. Anyway, today's video is going to be a bit of recycling. Don't really like throwing stuff away, so I'm going to show you how to recycle your old Christmas cards, right? I'm going to show you we don't need to throw it all away, at least, okay? So that's the plan, okay? What we do, I should show you, is, right, we just simply, this is going to be a quick video, by the way, simply just cut off the bit with the writing on, okay? So you've just got a plain card. You can cut round it if you want to a little bit more, or you can leave it square. I could have left this one square. I decided just to make it a little bit fancier, I'm going to give it a little bit of a wiggly edge, right? So you've got that, okay, it's plain. Right, then you get a little hole punch, right? And you just put a hole in the corner, like this, okay? So you've got a hole. Then you get some, doesn't matter what thread it is, this bit's left over from Christmas, so I thought, yeah, this bit will be perfect, even though it's a bit sort of stuck up. Oh, look, anyway, get that bit of sellotape off. Right, cut yourself a, it doesn't have to be too long, just sort of that long, I would say, and cut a bit off. Then what you do next, fold it in half, right? Yeah, threadle it through the hole. Right, so this is your card, this is your tape. You threadle it through the hole like this, right? Yep, so you've got your brain's gone, the loop at the back, okay? And then just pull the other pieces of string through the loop, right? And pull. Don't pull too tight because you'll rip your little hole. And then you end up with that, okay? Now, you have a homemade Christmas tag, okay? You can write on it because there's nothing on it. So you can put to and from. And you've got this bit you can stick to the parcel, okay? So you have recycled your own Christmas card into a gift tag, okay? I'll show you one more time because I have a few Christmas cards here. I've got one that's actually, look, shaped like a jumper, so, which is really, really cute. All I'm going to do again is just cut off the back where the writing is. Obviously, if people have written on the pretty side, then obviously the card is not going to be any good. Again, plain inside, cut off the writing. I'm going to put a little hole back there on the jumper, like that, okay? And just get a piece of thread again. I mean, it's up to you how long you do your thread. You can make it as short as long as you like, as long as you've got enough to fold it in half so you can tie it. Okay, thread the loopy part through the hole. See, right? And then you get hold of this loop, these little bits of ribbon, and then you just pull them through the loop, okay? And you end up with a tag like this. Ta-da! And there you have a homemade Christmas tag to put on your presents for this year. I was going to say next year, this year. And you have saved a bit of cardboard, a bit of recycling, and they're more personal because you've made them, okay? You can, I mean, if it's a big card, you can, with this one, if you wanted to, cut out the robin and then maybe cut out the bush and the pots, so you have 3 tags in one, okay? Big Christmas cards, obviously, the more you can do. Same as this one. I can cut out the 3 lots of bears. I've got 1 bear, 2 bears, 3 bears, okay? Nice quick video just to demonstrate a very quick recycling card. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's very quick. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you all again soon. Boy, 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 boy.